Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily put a picture in a green screen in CapCut. So first, you just need to prepare the green screen and also the picture that you want to put on the green screen. Then select the green screen one and set it as overlay. Click on overlay. Now get rid of the green screen by using the chroma key. Click on the remove PG chroma key, then drag the color picker, adjust the intensity and also the shadow. Click on the check icon. Now you can just click on the picture and adjust the position like this. Okay, I'm going to remove the green screen to match with the picture, or you can also adjust the picture duration to match with the green screen like this. Okay, so this will be the result, and that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.